Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail unboxing. I'm super excited. This mail comes from the super sweet Bibi's Closet Creation. So if you're not familiar with her channel, she is an up-and-coming new creative here in our crafty community. She had recently shared a flip through of her beautiful journal, and I thought that was so precious and so nice of her to share a look inside her world. And more recently, she posted some swap and glue collab with another YouTuber creative, and I just love it. I enjoy her content. More importantly, whenever I see her comments, she has such a refreshing and such a positive, enthusiastic vibe to her, and it just makes me happy, especially with what's happening with the world. We need more of that. And so I am excited to share and see what we have and what she sent me. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, I'll also have Bibi's link down below. Now I see a folder here, and I know she mentioned she was going to give me some pages for a swap and glue, and I haven't done collaging in a while, so this is great. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Oh, so thank you so much, Bibi. Let's look at this first, and look at that. She made me this beautiful card, and she wrote my name, Karamia's Corner. I love this. This is so awesome with the date. I'm gonna put this in my journal for sure. Let me just, oh my gosh, I cannot open things today. Congrats! How cool! Thank you. I love this beautiful handmade card. Let me just read this real quick. What a beautiful card, Bibi. I love it. I love it so much. And so this giveaway is in celebration of her hitting her 150 subscribers milestone. So to you, Bibi, congratulations as well. Let's have a look and see which of the sheets she has sent to me. Look at this. So cool. I love Cobbler, by the way. So she sent me some magazine pages, and it's basically a challenge to do little swap and glue, so I'll do that in a separate video. Oh, how cool. I love this. It's like a paper doll, and then beautiful scenery here of the Juniper Canyon. We have more on the flip side, and then we have some plants. Really cool. I love this. I love M&Ms, and that is a great image as well to work with. Oh my gosh. This is going to be hard because we have all the colors there. Some burgers. And wow, look at all the colors here. That is gorgeous. We have some scented plants. Beautiful. And some CoverGirl. Oh, I love that. I have this plant, the money plant, and I have other plants at home, so that is awesome. And we have another page with wonderful colors. That's so cool. So I'm excited to do a little swap and glue little session, but let's have a look and see what I won. Let me just put this aside. Again, Bibi, thank you so much for those pages. So I'm gonna pull out the first pack here. It is a scrap pack. How awesome! And my goodness, I did not know that it came with so much. Alright guys, this is gorgeous. What a wonderful pack here. I love this embossed florals. I am definitely going to share this with some of my crafty friends as well, and you can definitely count on me to use this in my journal. Oh my gosh, so many varieties. We have this beautiful blue, and it's textured. More here. Then we have this beautiful green, and again, I love the texture on that paper. My gosh, I didn't know it was so much. Look at this paper. This is amazing, Bibi. Oh wow. So this one is a little bit thinner, but it has a really wonderful texture to it. And there is more, some with glitter. We have some maps. And we have more of that beautiful gold embossed paper with the flowers. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And so they're cut in different sizes. We have some maps over here. And oh my gosh, my favorite color, and I think BB loves this color too, is teal blue. And look at this. I mean, I can see so many things, so many projects. Thank you so much. And here is the next. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. She had sent a Yarnology. Look at how cute. I love this. So I knit. I don't have a knitting journal, but definitely going to put this in my journal. I think it is so cute. Maybe in my project journal, I'll be doing that. Recently in my DT haul, there's a book showing you how to make some stuffed toys. This is great. Thank you so much. And then she also included this beautiful metal labels, and it says original handmade with love. And I'm definitely going to use this for my handmade journals. So awesome. And look at this. She had sent or included in her giveaway a praise worship. Beautiful. So many beautiful songs. Again, wonderful to use in journaling. Wow, that's so cool. And looks like there is a few more. Now I remember her showing this. I just trying to see what it is. So it is a container, and basically it is for, oops, sorry, your pens. So if you're on the go, how awesome is this container? Paintbrush, markers, you name it. Super cool. So I might be sharing this with my daughter Lil. She has a lot of art stuff that I think that would help her a lot. And she also included this beautiful bullet journal. Let me go ahead and open this up. Here's a look at this journal. Look at the cover. Let me just slide that out. Oh my gosh, hold on. Just going to... It's the journey, not the destination. Oh, that's so true. And inside, we have some grid lines. How beautiful, how fun is this? So if you're illustrating or whatever, you can use it. And it is beautiful, baby. Thank you so much. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. I sure did, and want to say a big thank you to BB's Closet Creations for this wonderful prize pack. I cannot wait to craft, journal, and do some swap and glue, so stay tuned for that. And again, BB sending you some warm virtual hugs across the screen. I know your channel is going to grow even more. Keep those videos coming. Again, guys, if you'd like to show her some support, I'll put her link down below in the description box. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.